Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 5. Almost have a whole week under our belt, guys. Again, thank you so much for joining me for COOKMAS, where I am giving you daily videos throughout the month of December for the holiday season. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and do something with those pesky leftovers that you have during the holidays. We're going to go ahead and turn that leftover turkey into a delicious leftover turkey pot pie. So in this case, as you can see guys, very few ingredients are needed. We do of course have our cooked turkey that we chopped up, some cream of mushroom soup, some crescent dough, some mixed veggies, which I actually took the green beans and potatoes that I had made for the holidays and threw those in with a bag of frozen veggies, and then also a can of cream of chicken soup. So pretty simple with those few ingredients, guys. You'll have a quick and easy, tasty homemade pot pie with all the flavors that you had from the holidays, and you can use this to eat just one more day after the holidays. So hopefully you guys are ready to get things started. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, this is a quick and easy way to deal with those pesky leftovers for the holidays. Go ahead and make a wonderful turkey pot pie. I did make these mini style, but I also made a regular one as well with the leftover mixture that I have. Definitely tastes better than the frozen pot pies you get in the store, and it's a quick and easy recipe that you can whip up anytime and not just after the holidays. As you can see, the crust from the crescent dough got nice and crispy for us. It was a nice golden crust on top of that luscious pot pie filling that we had inside. Again, make it your own, guys. In this case, this is just what I had left over from my holiday meal. So if you've got other things, go ahead and give it a try and put those inside. I'm pretty sure they'll be just as tasty. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you are a lover of the pot pie. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do so by hitting that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.